Hello, traders. Welcome to today's episode of BTC USD Technical Analysis. So it is my wishes that you trade where you cash more pips and smile to your account at the end of today's trading hours. So commencing on our analysis from daily time frame analysis charts. So currently the big bull is in control of the market trend. The big bull is pushing the market up at the moment. As you can see that the overall trend of the market on daily time frame analysis charts is uptrend market structure. And this means that the big bull is in control of the market. The trend on daily chart is buyer market since it is uptrend market structure. So currently the big bull is pushing the market up as currently in our support region of the daily chart, low, higher low, you can see that the big bull is currently pushing the market up at the moment as bullish candle is forming on daily time frame analysis charts. So fast forward to our H4 time frame analysis charts. So top down analysis to H4. So checking H4 time frame analysis chart, you can see that the big bull is pushing the market up with big momentum. Big bear have no chance at the moment to push the market down and break below the higher low of daily time frame analysis chart. You can see that the big bull is currently pushing the market up and is about to break above the lower high of downtrend push on H4 chart. We have lower high, we have liquidity, we have lower low, we have liquidity that has been captured, we have lower high, we have liquidity, and we have lower low. But currently, the big bear failed to break below the higher low of daily chart. You can see this bars. This is indicating the higher low of daily chart. So the big bull refers the market. Immediately the big bear reaches this region, and currently the big bull is pushing the market up and likely to break above this lower high of 4-hour chart. So on daily chart, the big bull is in control of the market trend. And on H4 chart at the moment, the big bull is also in control of the market trend. So top down to H1 time frame analysis chart. Let's check H1 chart. We can also see that in H1 chart, bullish is in control of the market trend. So we already had break of structure in our H1 charts. As you can see, there's break of structure in this region on our H1 charts. And this clearly indicates that the big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment on H1 time frame analysis chart. We can see lower high, we have lower low, we have lower high, we have lower low. And currently the big bull has break the market up. So we had break of structure in this region, and this indicates that the big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment. So this likely telling us that bearish retest has stopped and bullish movement has commenced on H1 time frame analysis chart. So it should be noted that whatever will happen on H4 will be seen in lower time frame charts like H1, H2. And whatever will happen on daily chart will be seen first in H4 chart. So you can see that the big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment. So we had break of structure in this region and the big bull pulls the market up, thereby forming liquidity, which is dynamic liquidity, and form imbalance candle as it pulls the market up. So despite the fact that the big bull is in control of the market, big bear have no chance at the moment to reverse the market and reach down to capture this imbalance we have here and capture liquidity that we have here before pushing up again. So big bull give no chance to the bearish trend to push the market down. So let's go to M30 chart. So checking M30 at the moment, you can also see that the big bull is in control of the market trend as it is pushing the market, but currently the market is consolidating. It's in static form. Let's say this market currently is in dynamic movement. You can see market pushing up while forming dynamic liquidity. You can see the market pushing up while forming dynamic liquidity at the moment. So the big bull is pushing the market up, whereby the bear pressure acting on it is making the market to form dynamic liquidity at the moment. But the big bull is also in control of the market trend. The big bull is in control of the market trend. On daily charts, the big bull is in control of the market trend, which is in direct with the overall trend of the market. You can see in H4 chart, the big bull is in control of the market trend. So likewise, on H1 time frame analysis charts, let's check H1. We can also see that on H1 time frame analysis charts, the big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment. So checking down to M30 charts, we can also see that the big bull is in control of the market trend, though the market is pushing up with low momentum at the moment. And this is due to the constant bear pressure acting on the bullish move. So let's go to entry time frame analysis charts to look for entry. Commencing from 15 minutes time frame analysis charts or entry charts, we can see that the big bull is pushing the market up, despite the fact that the big bear have no chance at the moment to reverse the market and push the market down to capture liquidity that we have here, which is dynamic liquidity, free the available imbalance here and here before pushing the market up again. And also the higher low of the uptrend push is still yet to be capped, is still yet to be retested. So the zone is still fresh at the moment. So on the entry time frame analysis chart, the market is also showing uptrend market structure. And this uptrend market structure is in line with the overall trend of the market on daily chart, which is also uptrend. So the big bull is in control of the market on entry time frame analysis chart 15 minutes. So let's go further down to M5 chart. We can also see that on M5 chart, the market is currently pushing up. The market is currently pushing up, despite the fact that the market is moving up with dynamic liquidity. Big bull is in control of the market trend at the moment. So traders should be trade with caution today as the market is currently forming dynamic liquidity, which is yet to be clear. So traders are advised to wait for market to form, for the structure to be clear before opening buy position. As you can see that the market is pushing up while forming dynamic liquidity. And trading or enter trade where the market is not clear whether uptrend market structure or downtrend market structure is not advisable. So though the market is in uptrend push at the moment, but entering this market at this time is not advisable. So traders are advised to wait for the market to be clear, to show its direction, to show its trend correctly before opening positions. So also traders should trade with caution. And traders should always know that over leverage of their account is not how a profitable trader trade. Traders are advised to trade with caution. Also, they should put into consideration their risk to reward ratio, RR, as this will determine at the end of the day the amount of pips they are going to cash, the amount of profits they are going to make. In entering crypto or forex markets, risk to reward ratio should be put into consideration, which is risk management. So traders should trade with caution and also ensure that they don't overtrade, and they should always wait for market to show clear signal before enter trade. If the market is downtrend, traders should wait for clear signal before opening short position. And if this market is uptrend, traders should wait for clear signal before opening long position order. So this will determine at the end of the day how profitable they will be. So the overall trend of the market is uptrend market structure, likewise H4, likewise H1, and also our entry chart is also showing uptrend market structure. We have higher high, we have higher low, we have higher high, we have static liquidity here. So likely the market push up and capture this static liquidity, which is equal high. We have equal high in this region. We have equal high on our entry time frame analysis chart. So likely the market push up and capture this static liquidity before retesting back to fill this imbalance here and capture this liquidity before continuing its uptrend market structure. And provided we had break of structure along the uptrend push on our entry charts, the market is telling us that the bearish retest about to commence again, having failed in previous day to break below the higher low on our daily chart. Let's see our daily charts. Let's check for each 4 charts. Let's go to daily charts. You can see that the big bear returns this zone the previous day, but the zone is too strong, which is the support zone of the uptrend push. It's too strong for the big bear to reverse, and this allows the big bull to take over the market at the early hours of today and push the market up, and likely to capture this liquidity, feed this imbalance, and push the market up to break above the higher high, which is still far from reach at the moment. So traders are advised to trade with caution. So I wish you guys profitable trade, more pips to capture at the end of the trading hours. So thanks and have a great day.